Good afternoon, I am Dr. A.V. Shaunik. I am a practicing laparoscopic general surgeon in Noida at Bhadabaj Hospital. I also go to Delhi. I am also keenly interested in nutrition and wellness. So in talking about the diseases that are taking place today, and the major cause of these huge increasing amounts of disease, whether it is heart, cancer, diabetes, lung diseases like asthma, bronchitis, obesity. In all these diseases, the problems or the causes of this are free radicals. And these free radicals, which are coming from the large chemical intake in the terms of pollution and the chemicals in the foods that we eat. Also pollution in the houses, from the detergents, the cosmetics that we use. The other thing is the less amount of nutrients in the food that we take, because they have been depleting over the years. Now, how do we have some method of treatment for this? There are certain things which are required to handle this. Number one is a good exercise. By good exercise, we mean minimum a walk for an hour a day, if possible, minimum 3 to 4 days in a week, if not all the days in a week. When you walk for an hour, the walking should be brisk, but as fast as if two people are walking, they can talk to each other comfortably. It should not be less than that, nor should it be faster than that. Second is having the right positive attitude. Now, right positive attitude is very, very important. It reduces stress. How can we develop a good attitude is by good reading the positive books, number one. And the second thing is yoga and meditation can help both in the exercise part and in the attitude part. Third, we would, what is very important is rest. Rest should be minimum 6 to 8 hours for an average adult every day. And then very important is the nutrition, the food that we eat. Because since the nutrients in the food have been depleting, so I'll try to bring out a few points which can be done. Number one, when we're talking about food, no processed foods should be eaten. All processed foods, all tinned foods should be avoided. Second is the foods have to be in a balance. When we take the macro foods, that is protein, carbohydrates and fats, the balance is 40-30-30. 40% carbohydrate, protein should be 30 and 30% is the fat. So what is important that this balance is maintained. In other words, as per WHO, our protein intake is very low. It is half, that is 30 grams in a day for a meat eater, which should be a minimum of 60 grams in India. And for a vegetarian, it is not more than 25 to 27 grams. So we have to increase our protein intake. Fat is again very, very important. So we have to increase the fat. Now when we talk about increasing the fat, we are talking about good fats. What are the good fats? Good fats are omega-3s. Omega-3s, especially the non-vegetarian omega-3s. Then they are Desi ghee. Desi ghee is again a good source of good fats and good omega-3. Then we talk about the fruits and nuts. Nuts again become very important. Walnuts, almonds, again good sources of proteins, good sources of omega-3, plant-based omega-3. Flaxseed, alsi, tisi. Then we must take in a lot of vegetables and fruits. The fruits and vegetables should be organic, multicolored, so different colors of fruits, vegetables, that should make up our diet. So when we are talking about fruits and vegetables, what is important is the organic fruits and vegetables. Then there are certain herbs which are very, very important, which should be added to our diet, that is haldi, dalchini, green tea, grapeseed extract. These are very potent antioxidants which help in good health and also in prevention of diseases. If there are any other questions which any of you would like to ask, you can always get back to me on the Lybrate website itself or contact me at my clinic. Thank you.